In today's presentation, I'm going to show you 5 creativity exercises that will help you find your true passion. 19th century British Prime Minister Benjamin Disraeli once said that a man is only great when he acts from passion. Today, aspiring entrepreneurs need to explore avenues of creativity to find their passion. This is most likely the fastest route for you to increase your chances of launching and maintaining a successful business. Here are 5 creativity exercises to help you find your passion. Revisit your childhood. Over the years, as we move into adulthood, we often become disconnected to the things that brought us the most joy in favor of what's more practical. To find your true passion, take some time to create a list of all the things from your childhood that you remember enjoying. Look at the list and see if you would enjoy any of the activities today. Make a creativity board. Start by putting the words "new business" in the center of a large poster board. Next, look through magazines and the internet for images, articles, sayings, and other inspiring things and begin to make a collage. When you surround yourself with images of your intention, your awareness and passion will grow. Think of people you want to be. When it comes to finding your passion, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Study those people who have been successful in the area that you want to pursue. Figure out how and why they remain successful and set up structures to emulate them. Start doing what you love. Too many aspiring entrepreneurs wait until they have an extensive business plan in place before they move towards realizing their dreams. This means that many of their ideas never see the light of day. Even if you haven't found a way to monetize your passion yet, you still need to do what you love. Take a break from business thinking. You might feel uncomfortable stepping outside of business mode, but your mind sometimes needs a break from this kind of bottom-line thinking. After you've taken a mental vacation, indulging in what you're passionate about, come back to a journal and write down any business ideas that come into your head. Finding your true passion doesn't have to be a lot of work. With these 5 creativity exercises, you can open your mind to all the possibilities and find something that you are genuinely passionate about.